Guys, I got scammed. They scammed me in this Canada. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I look so tired in this intro, but you guys just ignore my eye bags. So guys, oh my god, I'm so excited this morning. This is the first time I'm leaving Wetaskiwin to go have fun in another place. So yesterday my friend called me and she asked me if I wanted to go to Calgary with her family, to go to the zoo, to go have fun, visit places in Calgary. I was like, why not? In as much as I'm starting my classes on Monday, and today I planned getting braids, I planned braiding my hair, but I was like, all through this summer I've not really left, apart from the time I went to Edmonton with my friend to go pick up the stuff my family sent me. I've not really left this town, I've not really left here. This is the only opportunity for me to actually leave, because I already gave up this summer. I was like, okay, maybe next summer is just going to be better than this one. But opportunity fell on my lap and I decided to grab it. So guys, go with me to Calgary. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm wearing. Honestly, it took me so long to decide on what to wear. I'm wearing a dress. Let me show you guys what I'm wearing. Then I'm wearing these Puma sneakers. Yeah. So yeah, this is what I'm going to wear. Then I'm carrying this bag. I bought this bag from Shein. The temperature is a little bit cold, like the weather is a little bit cold, so I just have my cardigan in case, and the purple actually matches with the yellow in case I decide to wear it along the line. Outside is really rainy, so yeah, so this is what I'll be wearing. But let me show you guys what I wanted to wear initially. So initially I wanted to wear this clothes. It's a two-piece Ankara two-piece. My sister sent me this from Nigeria. I realized that the shorts is very tight on my thighs and I feel like I won't be comfortable wearing it, so I decided to change it and wear this one. I would have loved to wear this one, but I've already worn it. But what do you guys think about this outfit though? Do you think I should change it? Do you think I should wear something else? And I feel very comfortable in the dress. I can pose, I can do whatever I want to do with the dress. So I was like, let me just wear it. And also it's yellow. Summer is all about color, and yeah, so that's why I'm wearing this dress. I know when my best friend watches this video, she's going to be like, this girl has coconut hair, because she actually told me to wear the Ankara, but what happened. It's just too tight on my thighs. Or maybe if I lose weight, which I don't plan on losing, I may wear it later, but this is what I'm going to wear. I hope it's not bad. See, with my sneakers, I don't think I look bad at all. No one would know that I blow dried my hair. Like I use like a blow dry to stretch my hair out, and now it's everywhere. You want to show you my video? Okay. guys, I just got back home. I feel exhausted. Oh my god. Like, I had so much fun. For a moment, I thought I wasn't going to go anywhere this summer. I thought it was just going to be work, sleep, work, sleep. But I did not know God had a different plan. Aria, if you're watching this video right now, thank you so much for inviting me out with your family. I really had so much fun. Like, I'm so happy I finally went out this summer, and for that matter, I went to Calgary. Like, I left for Tasking. Shortly after we finished from the zoo, we went to an Indian restaurant, and I had biryani chicken over there, but I wasn't able to finish my portion, so I brought back the leftover. So that is what I'm gonna eat this night. So I'm just going to quickly freshen up. It's quick. No, I'm going to quickly blow out my hair again, because you guys know what comes with natural hair. Humidity, once you're outside, if it's not winter, once you're outside, it just gets really puffy. Could you guys believe I blow dried this hair yesterday? I blow dried this hair last, early this morning, and now it's like there's yeast inside. As air is coming in, it is growing. So I'm going to blow dry it again, because I cannot braid my hair in this kind of condition, because I won't be able to tuck it in properly, because I'm going to be doing it by myself. So I've already talked too much, and if you watch to this point, if this is your first time I was talking about this channel, you already know the drill. Just click on that subscribe button down below, and you are not going to regret it, because on this channel we have lots and lots of fun. All right, keep being fabulous. I'm going to catch you guys later. I don't know if I'm going to be ending this vlog now, but if I end this vlog now, I don't know. Hey guys, good morning. So I did not end the vlog actually, because I felt like it's too short, and I had some gist to share with you guys. So this is like a day or 2 days after I went to the zoo. I don't know if you guys can see my face properly. My skin looks so dull. I'm so tired. So after I got back to the zoo, like yesterday, I went to work. I did an 8-hour shift, 3 to 11. When I got back yesterday, I was so tired. So I said I was going to continue the vlog today. And moreover, my classes are going to be starting on Monday. I plan on getting my hair braided today. I feel like I'm not even ready to go back to school. Let me come closer. I feel like I'm not even ready to go back to school, guys. Like, I don't even know. Like, I'm not ready to go back to school. This summer, it has just been work, YouTube, work, YouTube. So I don't know if I feel ready to go back to school. I don't. If my family members are watching this video, I'm not a lazy student. So let me just tell you people, I'm not lazy. Oh. It's just that I'm so tired. I'm allowed to be tired now. So I already shuffled the extension here. But before I even go down to this extension, I have a gist for you guys. Guys, I got scammed. They scammed me in this Canada. They scammed me. Me that I keep saying, oh, I'm Nigerian. Nobody can scam me. Nobody can. I'm saying this thing because some people that will come here and be like, don't come here and be doing JJC because they are gonna scam you. So let me give you guys the gist. If you guys don't know, I do hair. I'm a braider. Back in Nigeria, I worked in a salon for a year before I moved to Canada. So I'm a professional braider. So when I moved to Canada, I was like, I'm going to continue with my skill. I use it as my side hustle, make money for myself, make cool cash. So before the summer start, like when school is in session, I don't really have time to do hair. I've only done hair like twice. One was for my friend and one was for this Nigerian family that also lives in Wetaskiwin. I did for their daughter, and that has been it. So I decided to post my like the works I've done in the past on Facebook Market. I've talked about Facebook Market here a couple of times. You can post what you do on Facebook Market. So I posted my stuff on Facebook Market too. And I was just hoping that, okay, a customer is going to come, people are going to come and ask what I do, like, what's my price, my location, blah, blah, blah. So this particular lady, last week, this particular lady came into my Facebook, my DM, and she was like, "Oh, you live in Wetaskiwin. I should want to book an appointment for her daughter. She would like to bring her daughter to me to get her hair done. She wanted braids." So I had a conversation. The length of the braids, the size of the braids, is it not less or the regular traditional box braids? We had like an agreement. I told her what my price was and the time, my availability. Like we had that whole conversation in the DM. Then I sent her my address because we decided that she was going to come on Tuesday. Today is Saturday. So on Monday, yes, on Monday, I did night shift on Sunday, came back on Monday. I had a lot of things going on that Monday. So that Monday, I was up stretching attachment. Guys, I finished arranging attachment. I was up till like 3 a.m. organizing attachments. So this her appointment was supposed to be on Tuesday at 9 a.m. Tuesday. This lady texted me at, was it 7:50 on Facebook, to tell me that, oh, I'll have to cancel this appointment, something came up, I'll have to reschedule. If you have like a last minute cancellation fee, do let me know what it is and I would love to pay. When I opened that text, because I went to bed at 4, I got up at 7 because I needed to freshen up, eat before starting the work. When I saw the text, I was like, I was happy and upset at the same time. I was happy because I was like, okay, since she has cancelled, I'm going to just go ahead and sleep because I've not had good amount of sleep. And that Tuesday night, I'll be going in for night shift at work. I'm like, okay, this is like a blessing in disguise. But I was upset that I already cut the attachment because we were going to use my attachment. I've already cut my attachment to cut 4. If you know what, if you do hair, you know what cutting for is like bra length. I already cut my attachment. I'm like, so these people just, and me, I don't do short hair like on myself. So I was like, these people just made me like waste my attachment I brought from Nigeria just like that. I just swallowed the anger. I just slept on my couch. I just put my pillow and I slept. I slept for almost 9 hours plus. I was like, this was a much needed sleep or rest. So do you know, up to today, I'm telling you people, this happened on Tuesday. Up to today, this woman has not sent me the cancellation fee, and I also sent her my email to e-transfer. She has not sent the money. She has not said pim in the DM. You people, they have scammed me. They have scammed me. But I've already forgotten about it. I have this friend that braids in Ontario. She told me that like what she does with her clients is that they pay, like when they book an appointment, they like pay like deposit, like $30 deposit. If you don't show up, your money has gone. I said I'm going to implement that because you cannot make me spend time arranging an extension for you not to show up now. Rara, it's not good. It's not a good thing. So I'm going to start implementing that moving forward. If you book an appointment, you have to pay like a $30 deposit or even $25. $30 is okay because so that if you don't show up, your money has gone like that. That money I used to buy Coke, chilled Coke, and wipe my tears. So guys, that is the gist. So I'm supposed to start braiding my hair today. So what I'm going to do is that, so this is the extension. I'm going to have to turn my camera to show you guys the extension. So guys, this is the extension. Oh, so I organized it. This is what I was supposed to use for to make the woman's daughter's hair. So this is like cutting 4 and cutting 3. So I'm going to use the cut 3 and do the back of my hair, and use cut 2 and do the upper part of my hair. So it's not like I really wasted my time. At least the attachment is organized, and this is a little more. So I'm going to still shuffle more in case I run out of attachment. So it's not like scam, but she still scammed me, sha. In the meantime, we have something to unbox. Let me just put this mic somewhere so that I have something to unbox here. This is a product from Naturium. Naturium is one of my best skincare brands, if not my best skincare brand. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know I'm very, very big on healthy skincare, taking care of myself. Self-care is like one of my top like topmost stuff. Like I love to take care of myself so much. If you follow me on Instagram, if you watch my Insta story, you know that I love myself to stupor. I said this, I love myself so much. I love to take care of myself. So I love to invest in good skincare brands, like take care of my skin, look good, glow. Canada is hard. Nursing school is tough. I don't have to look like what I'm going through. I'm always stressed. So in order not for that stress to show on my face so much, I love to take care of my skin. And Naturium is one of my favorite skincare brands. Like I love Naturium so much. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it so you guys will know what I have inside this beautiful box. If you guys like listening to me talk about random stuff, apart from moving to Canada, living in Canada, all those kind of contents, just let me know in the comment section because I'm a very bubbly person. I love to talk, I love to have fun, I love to hang out. So if you guys like this kind of videos, just let me know because you guys are my audience. If you tell me what you want, I'm gonna give it to you, okay? Because I love you guys that much. So let's go down and unbox this box. This is retinol. This is vitamin C serum. This is eye cream, peptide eye cream. This is niacinamide. And here, this is my body wash. Okay, guys, so that is it for the product. I'm going to go ahead and eat and start getting my hair braided. If you want to see a video of me braiding these braids myself on myself, let me know in the comment section and I'm going to consider that. So I'm going to catch you guys later. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, how can I finish seeing this beauty? I've not even taken a shower this morning. Let me not cast myself. See how I'm glowing. Like, how can you finish seeing this fun vlog and you're not yet subscribed to this channel? Please do the needful, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to catch you guys in another interesting video. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.